We will now talk about the throwing technique of pottery forming. First, let's look at the tree surface of the throwing machine. It has many circles. Each of the circles spread out from the central circle. This is called concentric circles. Firstly, let's rotate the machine. We put a small mud block on it. The faster you rotate, the sooner it spreads out. If we put it on the central point, it will rotate there perpetually and will not splash away. The main way of throwing is to find the central point of the circle and make the concentric circle rotate around the circle that we choose. We hammer the kneaded clay a little harder on the center of the throwing machine as hard as we could, so that it won't fly out. Then we press it and rotate the tree at the same time. Now we turn on the machine. One will notice that the mud will sway when it rotates. To control it, here comes the key point of this class. To find the circle, make it stably rotate around the concentric circle. When we do the throwing, we need to spread out our legs like this. Put our hands on legs and stretch out the elbows with our hands holding the mud and press it inward. We can wet our hands first. Let the surface of the mud and our hands wet and slippery. Then we hold the mud with elbows backing against the legs. It requires more strength. To hand should coordinate properly, we can slow down the machine. When we press inside with both hands, the mud has no way to go. It will be squeezed upward naturally and slowly. We can't make haste. When squeezing the mud, we should remember to keep the center of the circle flat or a little convex. Make sure it won't dip down. Keep doing this. Hold the mud tight of the both hands. Again. Okay, it stands high now. Now we use one hand to push it. It has a centripetal force. It goes down by itself. Hold the mud and push it forward with one hand. Let's repeat what we have just done. If our hands stick too much mud, we need to scrape it off and put it into water. Let's repeat again. Don't shake the hands. Alright. Don't move the hand ends and open lightly. Don't withdraw your hands all of a sudden. Just make it slowly. As we rotate around this central point thereafter, we may notice that it uses in an exact round shape and will not sway. Now, this is the first step of throwing find the central point of circle.